Welcome, dedicated viewers, to another insightful episode on House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for finance, real estate, and self-improvement. We're passionate about empowering you with the knowledge you need to elevate your financial status. As we always say, financial literacy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Here at House Lux Estate, we're committed to making that necessity accessible to everyone. In today's episode, we're delving into a significant topic: 10 steps to force your way out of poverty. Stay tuned. Before we dive into our 10 steps, it's crucial to understand what poverty means. Poverty, in its most basic terms, is the scarcity or lack of a certain amount of material possessions or money. It is a multifaceted concept that also includes social, economic, and political elements. Poverty isn't just about not having enough money. It's about not having enough opportunities, not having enough access to resources, and not having enough voice in society. The implications of living in poverty can be severe, affecting everything from health to education to opportunities for advancement. Overcoming poverty is not just about improving one's financial situation, it's about improving one's overall quality of life and creating a more equitable society. Poverty is a complex issue, but it's not an insurmountable one. Now that we comprehend the gravity of poverty, let's explore the steps to overcome it. Step 1 involves a fundamental shift in mindset. But what does this mean? Think of your mind as the steering wheel of your life. The direction you turn it determines where you go. If you steer towards scarcity, you'll find yourself surrounded by lack and limitation. But if you turn towards abundance, you're setting your course for wealth and prosperity. This wealth mindset isn't about wishful thinking. It's about encouraging positive, proactive behavior. It's about believing that you can create wealth and then taking the necessary steps to make it happen. Whether it's starting a new business, investing wisely, or simply saving more, this mindset will push you to take action. It's like planting a seed. If you believe the seed will grow, you'll water it, give it sunlight, and protect it from pests. That's the power of a wealth mindset. It's not just about thinking, it's about doing. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your financial journey. With the right mindset in place, it's time to set your financial goals. Your financial journey is like a voyage. To reach your destination, you need a map, and your financial goals are that map. They give you a clear path to follow and help you avoid wandering aimlessly. So how do you set these financial goals? You make them SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break that down. Specific goals are well-defined and clear. Instead of saying, "I want to save more money," say, "I want to save $2,000 for a vacation." Measurable goals help you track your progress. You'll know exactly when you've achieved your goal. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable. Don't set yourself up for disappointment with impossible goals. Relevant goals align with your life and long-term plans. Time-bound goals have a deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and keeps you motivated. Setting goals will give you a clear direction and will keep you motivated. Knowledge is power, and this is especially true when it comes to finances. In order to force your way out of poverty, it's crucial to educate yourself about money matters. Understanding how money works and how to make it work for you is a vital step on your journey to financial freedom. Education is not a one-size-fits-all process. Some of us learn better from books, others from podcasts or videos. Whichever your preferred style, there are resources available to help you increase your financial literacy. Look for books on personal finance, listen to podcasts about wealth building, or watch videos on investment strategies. Remember, there's no such thing as a silly question when it comes to learning. If there's a term or concept you don't understand, seek out the answer. Be proactive in your education, and don't be afraid to dig deep. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Empower yourself with knowledge and become your own financial advisor. The next step is to start living within your means. It's essential to understand that wealth isn't about the flashy cars or designer clothes, it's about financial stability and freedom. So, how can we achieve this? By reducing unnecessary expenses. Start by identifying what's necessary and what's not. Do you really need that daily latte? Or could you brew coffee at home instead? Could you walk or cycle rather than taking the car for short trips? Small changes can have a big impact over time. Creating a budget is another powerful tool in your arsenal. It's a visual representation of your income and expenditure, helping you to see where your money is going and where you can make savings. This is not about depriving yourself, but about making smart decisions with your money. Consider using apps or software to track your spending and help you stick to your budget. Embrace the power of technology to aid your financial journey. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. While cutting expenses is crucial, it's equally important to focus on increasing your income. It's like balancing a scale. On one side, we have expenses to manage, and on the other, income to boost. So, how can you increase your income? Let's dive into a few strategies. First, consider seeking a higher-paying job. This might mean acquiring new skills, improving your resume, or even changing industries. Second, starting a side hustle can significantly supplement your income. This could be anything from freelance work, selling handmade items, or even turning a hobby into a profitable venture. Finally, investing is another way to grow your wealth. This might seem daunting, especially if you're new to it, but remember, the key is to start small and learn along the way. There are plenty of low-risk investment options that can help you make your money work for you. Increasing your income will accelerate your journey out of poverty. So, let's get started on this exciting journey towards financial freedom. We've covered the first 5 steps, now let's quickly go through the remaining 5. Step 6 is all about building an emergency fund. This is a financial safety net that you can fall back on when unexpected expenses arise. It's recommended to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. This can help prevent you from falling back into poverty when life throws a curveball your way. Next up, step 7 is paying off debts. It's no secret that debt can be a significant barrier to financial freedom, so it's crucial to develop a plan to pay off your debts as quickly as possible. This might involve consolidating your debts, negotiating lower interest rates, or setting up a debt repayment plan. Step 8 involves investing wisely. Once you've got a handle on your debts and have an emergency fund in place, it's time to think about growing your wealth. Investing can be a powerful tool for wealth accumulation, but it's critical to do your research and understand the potential risks and rewards. The 9th step is networking. This is about building relationships with people who can help you on your journey to financial freedom. This could be mentors, financial advisors, or like-minded individuals who are also striving to force their way out of poverty. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Finally, step 10 is giving back. This might seem counterintuitive when you're trying to escape poverty, but giving back can actually be a powerful step in your financial journey. Whether it's volunteering your time, donating to a cause you care about, or mentoring others, giving back can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment that money can't buy. These steps are not a quick fix, but with dedication and perseverance, they can help you force your way out of poverty. Let's recap our journey towards financial freedom. We started by understanding the depths of poverty, acknowledging its existence and impact. Then we moved on to changing our mindset, adopting a wealth mentality that fuels our ambition and drive. We set financial goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to guide our actions and decisions. We continued by educating ourselves, gaining financial literacy and knowledge to make informed decisions. We then took a hard look at our expenses, finding ways to cut back and save more. Next, we explored ways to increase our income through side hustles, investments, or career advancements. Lastly, we delved into the final 5 steps: building an emergency fund, paying off debts, investing wisely, creating multiple income streams, and continuously educating ourselves. These steps are not one-off actions, but part of an ongoing process towards financial independence. Remember, overcoming poverty is a journey, not a destination. We've covered a lot today, and we hope these steps will guide you towards financial independence. Remember, the journey to wealth begins with a single step, so why not start now? Put these strategies into practice and let us know how they're working for you. We're here to support you on this journey. Thank you for tuning in to House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom. Until next time, keep pushing towards your financial goals.